If you're looking for a great watch face to carry you through the weekend, this will be the one. Welcome to another view into Huck's world. Now the name of the watch face is called Panalo S20. It's a very nice looking watch face for casual wear. This one is definitely worth the download. Now whether you're going to be hanging out casually or you're going to be out exercising, this is definitely the watch face you want to have on your wrist over the weekend. And especially considering that the watch face is free, download is definitely a must. But let's have a look at this awesome watch face, right? Now, first of all, if you look up at the top, you are going to get information on your heart rate, dead center. Flank to the left of that, your step goal completed. And flank to the right of that, you're going to get your battery information. Now, what I really like about the watch face is that it's got a big, bold digital time, very legible. You will get the day of the week, your date, your miles walked or ran, and you're also going to get information on floors climbed. You get animated seconds with a PM stamp. You can also go in and, of course, tweak your watch however you see fit, and you can make a phone call as well, but you will get your step info, and down at the bottom you're going to get information on calories burned. Now you can go into your messages, schedule, your weather with a single tap. I like the single tap. And you also can go into your email as well, right? Now these are inactive as well, so if I need to go in and get more of my step status, my heart rate information, if I need to go deep off into that, I can. And also for those of you all who need to know your battery percentage, there you go. Again, the developer gave us a lot with this watch face. Now, if I single tap right here on 47, I can set what I call a favorite, not a bad look at all. And if I tap right here, I can customize the color theme of the watch face, which I thought was super awesome. And you get, like, if I'm not mistaken, like 18 different colors in all. So you can find the colors that's going to match with whatever outfit you have on for the weekend, or you can just simply find your favorite color. But do you see how the theme of the color changes as you go through it? Not bad at all. Look at the two-tone right there. That is definitely a good look, red and blue. So I'm just going to cycle through a couple more just to give you an idea of what you're in for when you download this free awesome watch face, right? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope you have the greatest weekend ever. Make sure you guys be safe, but have fun with family and friends and enjoy. And I'm going to see you all at the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.